Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Chrome extensions do not run natively on iPhone because Apple requires all browsers to use WebKit. This prevents Google Chrome from using its desktop extension system on iOS. Confirm your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later to use Safari extensions. If you need an extension, check for an equivalent app or a Safari version in the App Store. Learn alternatives like Bookmarklets, the Shortcuts app, or accessing a desktop machine remotely. I will explain how to enable Safari extensions and effective workarounds. Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to Safari to manage extensions. Tap Extensions inside Safari, then choose More Extensions to open the App Store. Search for the extension name or functionality and tap Get to install it. After installation, return to Settings, open Safari, then Extensions to enable the extension toggle. Review and grant any requested permissions, such as content blocking or data access. Relaunch Safari and test the extension by visiting a site where the extension should act. If an extension exists only for Chrome, use a Bookmarklet or the Shortcuts app to run JavaScript on any page. Create a shortcut that opens a URL and injects script, then add it to your home screen for one-tap access. For full extension functionality, use a remote desktop app to run desktop Chrome on your Mac or Windows PC. Alternatively, search for native iOS apps or progressive web apps that replicate the extension features. These workarounds let you achieve similar results, despite Chrome extension limits on iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.